another beginner friendly skin lightening product. If you're just starting to lighten your skin, or you want to venture into skin lightening and you don't know what lightening body lotion to start with, these are products you want to start with. And also, if you're on a budget, these are products that are really budget friendly and very good for beginners. So without further ado, let's delve straight into the video. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. How's everyone doing? So in today's video, like I said, I'm going to be listing out a few beginner friendly lightening body lotions that would really work for you if you're just getting started, just want to start skin lightening. Now, there are only two reasons why these products might not work for you. Number one is that if you were using a lightening body lotion that has higher or very high concentration of these ingredients, there are possibilities that these particular ones might make you darker or might not give you that much result. Because the truth is, if you were using a lightening body lotion worth 30, 40, 50,000 naira, and then you're coming to use a product worth 10,000 to 8,000 naira, there are possibilities or chances that you might go darker than you were, because that particular product you were using high amount of active ingredients than this other one. So that is number one reason. Number two is that if you are way dark and you're going to use these body lotions without starting from somewhere, then you might have some sort of discolorations, or you have super dry skin. There are possibilities that you might experience things like dark knuckles and uneven skin tone. So for these two categories of persons, I would advise, if you're going to use this product, please ensure you're infusing with a body oil. And then for those who were using a higher or a better lightening body lotion that wants to start using this product, pair it with a very good lightening shower gel and a very good body serum. That way you're not going to go darker. Does that make sense? So now, getting this off the way, let's delve straight into the video. Now, the first three body lotions I'll be listing are lotions I have personally used, so you want to do well to watch till the very end. Now, the very first one on my list that I always go back to is, of course, Lumine body lotion. Lumine body lotion comes in three varieties: the half-cast, carrot, as well as the body milk or body lotion. Now, these products are very effective when it comes to effectively lightening the skin. They have beautiful ingredients. If you want to really lighten up your skin, like have 2 to 3 shades, go for the carrot, because yes, this is very effective. Now, if you are just very particular about your skin tone, please go for the gold. If you just want a very good body lotion that would maintain your skin complexion or give you 1 or 2 shades lighter, go for the half-cast, which is the black one. It is very mild and gentle, but it will still do the job really well. It's not going to leave you dark knuckles, stretch marks and whatnot. It has beautiful ingredients that would effectively lighten your skin. Pair it with a very good shower gel, a very good bar soap that will not strip your skin, and a very good body oil, and you will be good to go. Now, the second one on my list is the V8 body lotion. Now, this body lotion is amazing. It has 8 solid vitamins that makes it very effective for skin lightening as well as unifying the skin tone. It has vitamin A, K, B, C, D. It has, in fact, the list goes on and on. I cannot list all of them because there are numerous very good vitamins that would lighten your skin. Now, it also comes in 2 or 3 variants. I'm going to leave them on the screen. They are very effective, and this product is selling for 6, 7, 8,000 naira. Lumine is selling for 9 to 10,000. So these products are very much affordable for beginners. If you are on a budget but you still want your skin to sparkle, you still want to have that under yellowy skin tone, these are products that are going to serve the purpose. Third one on my list here is Clear Face to Face Baby Face Beauty Extra Body Lotion. This is their super whitening body lotion. It also comes in 3 varieties. I'm going to leave them on the screen. Now, this also has alpha-arbutin, glutathione, collagen, which has as well as kojic acid. It has SPF 55 and it comes in a 500 ml bottle, which is big enough to last you for a while. I've had this for going for 3 months now. It still has some products that will serve me for like about a week or 2. This product is very good, but I'd say if you're sensitive skin type, you don't want to use these, because you might experience things like breakout, not even sensitive skin type. If you're allergic to maybe any of the ingredients I listed here, you might have some sort of breakout or VAS reaction. So you want to use it with sense, which means you want to use it with the body oil and another body lotion. So I pair this with Nivea. I use Nivea during the day or majority of the times, and then go in with this like 2-3 times or 4 times a week depending on my mood. So this is also very good for beginners. Like if you are a beginner and you're looking for a lightening body lotion that would lighten your skin without stripping your skin, without you know, a body lotion that will basically unify your skin tone, these are body lotions you should try out. Next one on my list is Egyptian Secret. You see, this particular product is not good for everybody, but it did the job for me in terms of effectively lightening my skin. Maybe because I'm not greedy with products. I don't want, like, I've never needed a product that would lighten me in 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days ever since I discovered what works for me. You have to know what works for you before venturing into skincare products. And if you're using skincare products, you have to be patient with products in order to see results, because product that takes time to give you results are products that can be used for a long time. Do you understand? They are not products that will react badly all of a sudden. This product has beautiful ingredients as well that lighten your skin. It also comes in different variants, so you want to do well to be sure of the one you're going for in order to, you know, not have VAS reaction. Now the one I personally use is the gold one, which is also very, very nice. Now why I stopped using it is because I discovered it has carrot extract as well, and it kind of started giving me some sort of reaction, because I told you guys before, if you've been following me for the longest of time, or maybe you've never heard me say it before, now carrot does not really align with my skin type because I have sensitive skin. So if I use carrot for a long period of time, it tends to give me VAS reactions. So anytime I use product with carrot, the moment I get my desired results, I just stop immediately, in just so I don't have VAS reaction. So this is selling for 7,000, 8,000, 9,000 depending on where you're getting it from, but it is super amazing, super beautiful, and would also give you results. Now next product on my list that is also very nice, this might not lighten you in 2 weeks, but it's definitely going to unify your skin complexion, prep your skin for another very active lightening body lotion to work effectively. And this is none other than the Vaseline Gluta-Hya Flawless Bright. It's the other one too is very good. The two of them, anyone you go for, they are going to like brighten, really brighten your skin without giving you any VAS reaction. Like, it is very, very mild, and is a product that can be used for both face and body. So if you're looking for a product that you can use for both face and body that will effectively brighten your skin, unify your skin complexion, make it really even, this is a product to use. It's a body boost serum, and like very, very nice. Like I said, it is made with hyaluronic acid, glutathione, as well as pro-retinol. So it is very beautiful. This product is going to definitely give you results when you use it. Okay, now the next product on my list that I really like, and I tend to recommend anytime I'm recommending product, is Q7 body lotion. This body lotion is superb. It's very, very beautiful. It also comes in varieties, so you want to make sure you're going for the one that aligns with your skin tone. Now, because it comes in varieties and it's tailored for different skin tones, so if you're light skin, there is something for you. If you're half gas, there is something for you. And if you just want to maintain your skin complexion, there is something for you. So you want to be sure you're going for the one that's that will work for your skin tone. If you're dark, you don't want to go for something that has glutathione and kojic acid, alpha arbutin, all of those ingredients that would lighten your skin. Now, it's not because these ingredients are bad, but because over time they're going to give you dark knuckles. These are all the body lotions I tend to recommend for beginners, like, because they are very affordable and they are beginners friendly. If you've never used any lightening body lotions, these lotions are lotions that will really work for you and have people complimenting your skin. Okay, so let me know your thought about this video, and also if you like all of these lotions I've listed, let me know the particular one you'll be going for. Have you ever tried any one? Which would you be going for? Let me know down in the comment section. If you have any video suggestions, drop it down in the comment section and I'm going to film about it. I hope I'll see you guys in my next one pretty soon. Bye.